Hey guys, welcome back to LEGO Journey, and today I am going to build a little suspension monster truck. I just got this idea. I actually had this idea for about 3 years ago. I looked at some videos with some suspension things, so I just used them now. As you can see, it's just a Technic pin and this that just slides right in. And then you have a wiggly monster truck. I should a little bit upgrade this later. I'll show you the upgradation. But this truck has a folder. I don't know what's this for. Maybe I just added this thing because, well, basically I don't have 2x3s, so I just added that. So on to the tutorial. We will start with the cab. This will be for later. Actually, you can do it like this. Okay, let's build the cab. The cab is actually quite easy to build. So you just need to take one of these pieces, as you can see. Take two of those, take one of these, take a 2x6, place a 2x2 in the middle. Place this, if you don't have, just use a downward slope. Place that there. Get a transparent brick, you don't need to be like me. And then a plate, which placed like that. And finally, the suspension. So basically the suspension is like this. You just need to add 2 Technic pins, and then add this brick with a Technic hole, and then place a 1x2 brick. Take a Technic hole brick, and then this bracket, and then place a grill tile there. Maybe you can add like bigger tires to look like a real monster truck, but I'm not sure that will fit because it's wiggly. Wow, that's a loud plane. And then lastly, you just need to combine this and this, and there you go, your own suspension truck. Let's test this out. So you can actually move on everything like I showed you. Yeet! I have a broken suspension now. Like, look at that. It's really tall. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please smack that like button and the subscribe too. Until then, goodbye.